As we stand here today, I'm reminded of our humble beginnings.
This was a total rebuild. The foundation was kept, and whatever framing, we've repurposed a few things, but it was all brand new space.
Joseph and Melissa, I think you should be very proud of what you've built and what you're going to continue to build, and all of the building that you do in everybody's homes, and the lifetime of memories that you enable, that you create. These are community builders.
I'm really delighted that they've been able to complete this. I'm sure it's good for them to get it off their checklist, but congratulations to you guys.
Thank you.
You bet.
Thank you, Melissa and Joseph, for investing into the community and living in the community. We love you guys. Thank you.
Every step we have been guided through our commitment to excellence and passion for improving lives in the community through caring and craftsmanship. To our family and our friends, thank you for your unwavering love, patience, and support. To our team, your hard work, creativity, and dedication have made this possible. To our clients, your trust in us has been our greatest motivation. And to our community leaders, partners, your support has been invaluable in helping us reach this milestone. So thank you all for being here to share in this special moment. Cheers.